supposed to be a joke. Dude, you didn't even let me finish my joke. He's an LZ fan. Let's hear your intro. Chill. What are we doing today? Fuck off. How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be installing my new QA1 adjustable rear coilovers in my Foxbody Mustang. So the first thing I'm going to do is get this thing jacked up. Is it going on?
Uh-huh.
Let's get safe.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it looks fine to me.
Alright. Like, I miss way going on wrong.
Why is it sitting low?
Well, I think it's supposed to mount on the outside.
Fuck
I
it.
was driving it. Mediocre type. So I got the wheels off. So now all I gotta do is get the jack under this side of the axle, leave some tension on the shock, undo the shock, and then lower the jack slowly to pull the spring out, just because there's so much tension on it. Don't want it to fly out or shoot down too fast. So what you want to do, unbolt, after you put your jack under the axle, you put a little tension on it, undo your shock mount, your shock bolt. Now what you want to do is slowly lower. So now we're going to slowly lower down the jack on the axle, and it'll release the tension on that spring. Now that you have all your tension off your spring, let me get a little more tension off that. Should be able to muscle it out. The old spring is out, and we got the shock mount off. We're gonna have to go up into the trunk and undo the top of the shock. Once you get the bolt out in the top, the old shock just comes out. I already removed my quad shocks, but you'll most likely have to remove that for clearance. So now I'm gonna get my coilover wrenches, and right now they're not exact, so I'm just gonna match them up so they're exactly the same height. So what I do is I just count the threads. So as you can see, the tops of these are a different style than the factory stud. So in the kit, they give you this, and it just bolts on the top. So then it converts it to that. Super straightforward. For lots of heat, I got the lower mount off. Fun. Had to torch the shit out of it. This won't come off, and it's burning hot right now. Northern cars are just, everything is seized. The kit comes with new lower mounts. That's why I took that one off. And there's already holes there. So if you're ever curious why, this is why. Okay, so day number 2, get some hardware. I didn't realize I didn't have this bolt for either side, and I didn't have a nut for the top because it's extremely bigger. And I got a washer, so now that I got that, I could tighten up this bracket fully and then get it all bolted up. So now that the top is on, I got the nut and then the washer down. I'm gonna snug it up. Now, we can tighten up this bottom bolt here. Now this side, it's all finished. So now I'm gonna figure out where exactly I want my dampening set. But now it's on to the next side. Okay, so coilovers are all installed. No fitment issues. Hardest part, I'd say, out of this job was changing this out. And you have to drill this top hole a little bit bigger. So right now I'm just, I did 10 clicks on the rebound, and then I'm just trying to get my height set up properly. But I got both sides all done. See, new bolt washer there. This side's all done. No more spring. Oh, the car's on the ground. So finally done. It was a little bit of work, but it turned out nice. So I don't have it super low, so it doesn't hit, because my tires are pretty wide. I don't want to trim or roll it right this minute, but they're in there. They just cleared the tire. Probably going to clean up a bit and then go for a test drive, see how she feels. test drive went okay. I'm not gonna go anymore. I need to do plugs and stuff before I do proper pulls. It's extremely stiff at 10 clicks. So I'm gonna be messing with that a little bit. That'll be in a future video. The front now definitely needs something because it's way softer, but if you guys want more content, make sure to like and subscribe.